ドールズフロントライン2エクシリウム。
Hi, it's time for another Girl Forland 2 pulling session. Last time we pulled for Yohei, which is a physical support. The only reason I pulled for Yohei was because of its guarantee and
どうし
also
たの？
as a
私の顔
collection
が見
as
たくな
well.
った？
But this time there's no guarantee banner. And well, for those who doesn't know, I think since I didn't do any content for the game, I just do polling session for every single gacha apply, including Girl Forland 2. That's why I do this video. So yeah, for those who doesn't know, I'm out of all the element,
ここよ。
there are three elements that I'm focused on. The first one is electric, as you can see here. The second one is corrosion,
指揮官。
and the
いいとこ
third
ろ
one,
に来て
which
くれま
I'm
したね。
planning as my third element, will be ice. I think, but the main DPS for ice is not here yet. The only reason I choose ice because of the from the GN server.
ふん。
I like the original AR team. So yeah, Sofo is arrived for the GN for CN. That's why I will do freeze team. Yes, freeze, not ice. But for Koro and Electro,
ここよ。
because well, as you can see, Yomaruyon is my favorite squad. So that's the reason why I use Koro and Electric. Now I will do AR team after my next target, which is currently we have two, Robella and Sopo now in the future. I wonder about the other one, especially anyway. I don't talk about spoiler. That's so yeah, okay. Enough of the reason why I talk about this before I do polling session, because the character I'm gonna pull, well, you can see from the thumbnail and the title, I guess, but it's yes, Faetusa is corrosion team, and also I'm gonna pull for alpha. I skip alpha when she was released, because at the time I wasn't sure, should I go for alpha and also Palestina, but no, Palestina is no, I don't do physical team. But then Sopo release and she's freeze, so alpha is a good support for freeze, so I'm gonna pull for alpha as well. But priority for now Proteus. First, as you can see, I have a lot of currency. I haven't pulled since that video. Let's go to the software before we talk about how much I'm gonna do. Let's exchange the Dorito. And yes, almost 100 ticket for now, and that's 400. I guess total 400 pull, around 400 pull. No, 400 pull. I still need to save for the anniversary. For why the sound is really low? Wait a second. I'm gonna edit something. The setting. The sound is really low. Maybe yeah, let's do 20. I hope it is not too loud. And for me it's not loud, so I don't know about the actual recording. Anyway, so again, anniversary. They have a lot of character I wanna V6 for anniversary, like Groza, the new Groza, and also Sextan. Sextan is V6 material there for electric team, and also Sopo. So I need to save a lot, but I don't know. I don't know how long until we reach that how many patch. I mean, if you think about anniversary, all of the character is back to back near anniversary. If we assume they're not speed up the banner, I assume it will be on the second anniversary, which is still a few months, so 6 months I guess. Hopefully it is the same thing as expected. Hopefully they not release them earlier, but I don't know. We will see. Hopefully, yes, I really hope they don't do that, because if that's the case, then my plan. Here's the thing: the CN banner list and the global is different. That's why I wasn't sure. Should I save? Should I pull? But I decided for pull for the time being. So Platusha, for her, well, she good at, of course, everyone good at physics, but since my main DPS is Klukai for corrosion, I just need her to replace Pelitria, which mean I will get her. I will V1, I think. Yes, V1 is a good stopping point for now, and also I will get the weapon because I don't have Elite Blade. Yes, Blade is rare, so let's get this as well. Cause in effect, for Alpha, she support, but her support is really good for general bridge team. If she at least V2, so I will get her at V2. But for the weapon, I don't think I need to. I have a lot of. This is AR, right? I mean, assault rifle. Yeah, a lot of AR. I don't need to. I mean, this has a good buff for bridge team, but nah, I don't. Maybe in the future, when we get the guarantee version of this banner, we will probably for the older character they will always release the guarantee character. So that's really the other option for me to, well, more collection for the one I didn't get or a dupe. But yeah, let's start for from Paetusa. 50-50. I think the last one. No. The last character I did is which one before the last banner? I think Lena is the last one. I don't. Yeah, it's 50-50 pretty much. So yeah, here we go. Paetusa, Koro team. I'm coming. The next one will be, yes, the next one for Koro team is probably the last one before Groza. Groza can be used in any team, so that doesn't really. That's particularly why she is V6. The next one was, but the next one for Koro team is Basti, which is good. No need support. V0 is enough for her, so I don't really see. I think I can get her. Anyway, let's begin. Paetusa, first time pull. Skip. I don't know if it is loud or not, but well, I will adjust the volume later if this is too loud. Not for this polling session, but the next polling session. 20 in. Oh, okay, this is the new blade. Maybe if I get no, I need the gold version of the weapon. 30 pour in. I don't need to count. I have the counter over there in the bottom left. Okay, 36 until guarantee. Why the loading? How are we gonna get her? So I don't think they have another pulling animation. So if you don't have the gold thing, when guarantee you will never get the gold. There's no, the red 10. Okay, how many red? 26 left. So this is technically around Sopiti. Paetusa. Or maybe double Paetusa. No. Sashiburi Johnny. Well, it is what it is. Unless, never mind. It is what it is. Well, here we go again. I will get her V2, so this one is guaranteed, so yeah, I don't need to say anything. Next. Next. At least early, please. Now I'm using collect piece at the moment. Hopefully, at least, hopefully they didn't do at least a dark Groza earlier. That's the one that the most important one among the other physics plan for me. Sad Sopo and Sextant. Why they have loading reconnecting something? Anyway. Holy 16, I just realized something. This is guarantee, but at least double. The last double I have was with Springfield, and I didn't record that at the time because I haven't. Wait, I didn't expect this. Is this her voice? Her voice is okay. Interesting. Okay, I haven't done the story, so I didn't realize that her voice is. I didn't expect her voice to be. Anyway. I thought she's more of a cool character, you know. Okay, coffee. Okay, one more. I know. Yeah, her voice is. I thought it was on a cool side. Interesting choice. Anyway, another 50-50 now. Skip. Skip. She will be replacing Peritia. And yes, the only reason technically you can just borrow her if you want to do this from Gunsmoke. But remember, there will be a future Gunsmoke where you cannot borrow. So I'm preparing for that. Ah, 23 again. This is very sad. No early. Anything for Colo Team. Yes, thankfully, at least. Yes, Yato Aita. Okay, I don't know why she said that. Interesting. I think she's from Sangris Ferry, right? The faction. If I remember, she was Sangris Ferry doll. So I don't know how the story goes. I haven't done the story yet. What if I get another? Why not? Okay, that's done with her. Now the weapon. Yes, I need this. I really need this because again, I don't have any elite or gold weapon. So yeah. Oh, Greythorn. This is the RS version. What do you do? I don't know. Elite is necessary. Elite. My first ever elite blade. Oh, I ran out collapse so fast. Can I get V2 Alpha on this video? Maybe? And then I'm saving again. Max Basti will be the next, the earlier one. After that, anniversary waiting. I thought it was the blade. The blade, yes. Oh yes. At least I'm not missing the blade, purple blade. Chaos and evac. And that's it. Done with Patricia. Now let's go for Alpha. Technically, it's the same like Patricia. I need to get 3 character. 30 copy of her. So V2 Alpha. Here we go. How much I left? That's 200 something pool. Half of it used on Patricia. But thankfully I don't need to use. I mean, for now I don't need to get the weapon. So yeah, V2 Alpha. Here we go. Oh, that's for Alpha. And 94. Calm down. Oof. Early, please. 35. Oh, okay. Oh, no pity, huh? So this is a pity. Well, near pity. So alpha, 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 beta. Double, 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 double. Yes. Okay, early sign there. I got the N94. Model Alpha. This sound like Alpha. No, never mind. Why? I'm replacing you and now you're showing up because you don't want to get replaced, huh? Let's get it. Yeah, mate. I have 200 full left. Whew. Well, it's guarantee, so early. Early. That's it. No. Middle. No. This is humiliating. Why loading there? Holy, what am I? I guess if you check my other banner, this is one of the worst ones so far. If you check my other banner in all of the gacha playlist, it's guaranteed so. Oh, that's the reason. I'm sorry for calling you AN94. Alpha. That's your name now. And I still need 2 copies of her. Let's do this. Oh. Okay. Am I course? I think I am course. Oh, 18, what's going on? So sad. I thought it was. Thank you, thank you. I feel like they do this 50-50 on, 50-50 off, 50-50 on, 50-50 off. One more though, I still need one more. Okay, one, okay. I still have Dorito. Why? Naze. Why? Well, sadly, I need to use Dorito. Bye bye, Dorito. Let's see. No! Again, on off, on off. On off, on off. Why? But well, if I don't get Alpha, I still have 3 weeks. So, but that one I will not record because again I don't need to record an extra video just for one copy. Unless we got Alpha here in this video, I mean. I never get an early pull. Last time when I did Physic Leva, I did twice, I think. I just sad moment. Well, we still have. I think we can get Alpha here if we exchange another Dorito. Well, at least I get all my what? I get all my target in a sense, even though I use everything. Not early, not a single early. Yes, not a single early. Did the game hate me or something? Come on. Well, yes, I get her, but at what cost? Everything. Maybe for the future I will get good during the anniversary banner.
昔の永遠にナインティ
Hopefully.
はもういません。これからはアルガとしてあなたのために戦います。
雇い主は
I thought another 5-star, another elite. But nope, I've got the bare minimum, fail 50-50 half of it, and win 50-50 half of it. And it took everything. And now, can I save? I think Basti is not the next one. The next one will be someone else. The next two will be someone else, hopefully, and then Basti after that. Which probably should enough, since I will only get V0 for Basti. But let's level them up. Let's start with Paitusha.
久しぶり
Yeah, her voice isn't really okay. I thought she on the cool side, not.
不思議な感じだね
Fushigi da ne. Oh yeah, the animation is. I skip animation only the first time.
まあいいんじゃない
That's more like your voice that I think, that I imagine. A deeper voice, but I
レ
mean,
ベルアップ完了
it's fine. I cannot wait to see you for the first time in the story.
でどうすんの
That's yeah. Anyway, and done. Now Alpha. Technically, this is a rerun, but again, this is where I plan to get freeze team, which will be expensive considering I don't have a single freeze, unlike electric and corrosion that I already have the team up. Okay, you didn't say anything. You are welcome. Can they just yeah, why can they level her like max immediately just for the first time per session and first level, so we get animation, the rest skip to the max, but no.
性能が向上しました。
I mean, I guess this must be just like every other gacha, but you know, QOL, quality of life update.
隊長として必要なことです。
Hi. So that's it. I don't think I have fridge ready. I mean the attachment. Let's see if I have. I don't even know. Do you use fridge boost or the support one? But again, I don't have. Yeah, I don't have. Time to farm, blade corrosion. No. I think not for you. It's not corrosion. It's the new thing they add. Something close quarter or something, close combat. Yes, close assault, which I have 0 because I never farmed that anyway. So yeah, that's all for evolution. I feel drained. The next character I will pour it will be Basti, and then waiting for the trio back to back P6. Hopefully, I don't think I will. My main goal will be new Groza first. That she first. After that will be Sextant because I already have electric team, and then Sopo will be the last priority for physics. Anyway, maybe I will, if they release Robella, since I don't have Robella either, I will also pull for Robella. Well, maybe not. At this point, I will probably save until anniversary. We will see. Anyway, until next time, bye.